it's Liz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthy version of macadamia nut butter. All you need for today's recipe is macadamia nuts, a couple white chocolate chips, some vanilla, some salt, and a food processor. Oh, and P.S., a little bit of unsweetened almond milk. Stick around to see how to make this easy, healthy recipe, which you can put into teeny tiny little jars and store in the fridge for a couple weeks at a time. That is, if it lasts that long, which it probably won't, because it's delicious. Okay, step number one, take 2 cups of macadamia nuts and pour that into your food processor. And then we're gonna put the lid on and blend that up until it becomes a nut butter. Okay, once it's all blended, we're gonna add in the other ingredients. So, just gonna pour 1 cup of almond milk, unsweetened, 1/4 cup of baking stevia, a little dash of salt, a little dash of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon, and last but not least, our white chocolate. Make sure you melt this. If you're doing it in the microwave, go in 10-second increments. That way you won't burn it, which would not be a good thing. Good. And we'll put the cap back on and blend it all up. And there you have it. The most delicious, creamy, white chocolate macadamia nut butter ever. So from here, I'm just gonna pour a little bit into each jar. I'm gonna be giving these out as gifts. This is a great little housewarming gift, birthday present. It's just a really thoughtful way to show the people in your life that you super care about them. So there you have it, a super simple, super healthy, done in 5 minutes recipe that will have your friends and family literally thinking that you floated in on a cloud from heaven because it tastes so good. If you like this recipe and you want to see more like it, maybe you want almond butter, maybe you want pecan butter, maybe we could do like a cinnamon walnut butter. Comment in the comment section below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And as always, give this video those thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!